what time it is. Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video with your boy, the F30. So, to be dead honest with you guys, wasn't even planning on filming today. I really need to grab some shampoo for my car wash shampoo. I ran out last week and I've just been lazy and haven't ordered anything new. So I'm actually gonna run to Detail Garage here in Charlotte and grab some. That was kind of my plan this morning, and then I realized, oh, there's a car show. They have rides and coffee going on this morning. So I figured I might as well just bring the camera and vlog it. Probably some pretty cool cars there. And we'll see what else we get into today. My buddy Chris is installing some downpipes on another friend's M4 this morning. So I might actually go kick it with those guys while they install the downpipes. Just check out the M4 and yeah, we'll see what we get into. I really have no like specific goal with this video, and sometimes that's just how it is. But one goal that I do have in the immediate future is a coffee. Already got the valves open for you. This car full throttle in a tunnel, it's so loud. It's so loud. Without that Valvetronic exhaust, like, I don't know if I could do it. I don't know if I'd be able to run this car straight piped without having the option to close the valves, because that is insanely loud. And I know some people that do it. All right, we're here. Mad people, dude. It's crazy. I'm parking in the middle of nowhere. No one's even gonna know that I'm here. Parking with my boy over here, the haulers. So I'm literally just going in and I'm gonna like grab some shampoo and then roll out. So we'll stop and look at a couple cars, but it's not gonna be that long. See, dude, car show's over there. Your boy parks over here. It's crazy. Little M2 comp. Sick ass fool. Skylines, RX-7. Dude, RX-7s are so hard. Secure the bag. I got some ceramic wash. The Vet sounds badass. F80 Yas Marina. It's M4 Laguna Seca Blue. M4. Damn, that blue though. Shit. That is sexy. Proper transmission. And I see my dude's got the nitro cold brew. Well played, my guy. Well played. M2 comp. Clean. It's like brand new. Little Paul Walker tribute Supra here. I think TJ Hunt had a similar wrap on his. And then it's got a bunch of the quotes from Paul Walker in the movie. Pretty cool, man. I dig it. It's tasteful. Nice APR wing on the back. Looks really good. Dope little turnout for a show. Ended up going with this stuff. Hydro suds. I guess it's for ceramic coated cars. I almost grabbed the wrong stuff. Good thing I asked the guy. Cool little turnout. Nothing crazy. Couple dope cars. Probably gonna head over to Chris's place and see what they're doing with the M4. Ooh. Had to smash out a little ride real quick. 34 miles. This is the new rig. Carbon fiber. It's kind of like DCT. It's all electronic shifting. Call it DI2. If you guys are interested in any cycling content, I'm gonna be putting a lot of that stuff on my personal channel. I have it linked down below. I don't wanna put it on this channel because this is all car stuff, so it wouldn't make sense. You guys would get all mad at me. All right, we are heading over to Chris's house. Jay is over there with the M4, putting on downpipes. Gonna see what the boys are getting into. I wasn't gonna ride today, but it's just so nice out. I had to do it. Had to do it. Nice thing is Chris lives like not even 2 miles away from me. and he's always working on cars, so we can just hop over there and grab some content, see what the boys are getting into. So Jay has been on the channel, I think once before. Jay was in one of the vlogs with his M4. He's got an M4, black M4, and he's doing a bunch of stuff to it. I think he's kind of like early in the modification process, so should be a good time, man. Chill little Sunday, dude. Packers play tonight, stoked. You know, dude, you know I'm a Packers fan. I'm from Wisconsin. Dude. I live in North Carolina, but I can't roll with the Panthers, dude. There's not my team. I don't follow all of football, but I watch enough of it to kind of know what's going on. And the Packers are crushing it. 2 games in, crushed it. We're doing really well. But we have a tendency to come out real strong and then just kind of taper off. So hopefully we have a good season. Comment down below. Tell me what you guys, what your football team is. Skyline. Yeah, what up, dog? Right-hand drive Skyline. Dude, there's so many dope cars in Charlotte. Like, that's one cool thing about this whole area. There's just like a lot of sick cars all over the place in Charlotte. Like, you'll just be driving and like pretty much every time I go for a drive, I see at least one dope car. And then we also have underground racing, so a lot of like twin turbo Lamborghinis and shit just like cruising around. So yeah, if you're looking like for a pretty cool place to live, like Charlotte is lit. Charlotte's lit. Anyways, on our way to Chris's. We'll be there in a minute. I will see you guys over there. What kind of downpipes did you do, Jay? BRSF. Yeah. That's what's up, dude. Hell yeah, back in Chris's garage with the boys. This is Jay's M4. Ooh, you got the red guts. I didn't know you had the red guts. Oh, and the proper transmission. Jay, I had no idea. Don't give too much credit. I literally walked up when they're finishing up. And they're tuning too. What are you doing, stage 2? Attaboy. Sick. So we got downpipes, we got VRSF downpipes that just went in, and then boot mode stage 2. So this is gonna be exciting.
This is at your own risk, by the way.
Boot mode. So what do you run? You have stock, mid pipes, stock, rear section, and downpipes, charge pipes.
Yeah, Catless downpipes,
Catless
charge pipes, K&N dropping filters. The mid pipe is stock, the exhaust is stock. It's not even like the MPE or the competition one. This is just base.
No, yeah, there's no trying to help.
So he's going stage 2. Wow, we did a bunch of custom configurations. He did GTS startup roar, like a hot boy.
I'll turn it off.
No, you're leaving it on, bro. Unlock the DME, so it's gonna take a little bit of time, probably like 15 minutes or so until this does its whole thing, but you guys have seen this quite a few times on this channel. Also, check out, dude's got the extended leather. Damn, it's basically like a fucking Bentley up in this bitch, you know what I'm saying? All right, guys, we got this all finished up.
All right, guys, we got this all finished.
There's too many cameras here. Ooh, success. All right, dude, you gotta wait 5 seconds.
Yeah, I think we waited 5 seconds.
No, I'll let you do it. Go ahead. Go ahead. Do the honors. What up, y'all? Where are you guys going, bro? Let's kick it. Get a little cruising. Snack mode. Boot mode, stage 2. He's got a bunch of bolt-ons, but he just did the downpipes. It sounds really good. We're gonna get some footage of him cruising, some flybys, just some exterior noises. Sounds good. That's a lot of burbles. Like that cracks, man. Not many, but loud. Like super loud. Did it feel any different when you drove it?
Yeah, it's significantly different.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, you didn't really get on it yet.
No, but I mean,
Get on,
dude, like 60 roll, third gear. Oh, it's different.
Yeah, dude, the tune with 2 turbos, like that opens it up big time. It pushes up.
And you feel a lot more top end.
Yeah. Yeah, your car looks really good coming down the road. Behind me and shit.
Here, I want to hear from outside. One of you guys.
His face. All right, you guys. I'm gonna put his information down below. This is Jay, by the way. He's been on the channel. You were on the channel for a hot second during the cruise.
Yeah.
The cruise with the Charlotte BMW. Yeah, the BMC crew.
Yeah.
But we're gonna do some more shit to his car. Dude, it's already sounding really good, man. I didn't realize that you already had modifications done to this, but he's got
Yeah,
a
I've
few
been
things
slowly
done.
doing stuff.
Yeah, that was good, man. Looks really good. He's talking about maybe doing some FL5s, maybe some SM10s, 18s, hopefully.
They could both.
18s or 19s on an M4, what do you think? He wants to do possibly the FL5s, like what I have, the Apexes, or the Apex SM10s, which I think both of them look really good, but 18s or 19s. Unfortunately, I think both of them are on back order. It doesn't matter which.
Yeah, I mean, it was looking like 2 months.
Yeah, so I think it's COVID. But either way, we'll have him back on again. You guys know Chris. Chris is over here. He got the new GoPro, so he's fucking around. Chris, I'll have Chris's information down below too. But you guys will see these homies back on the channel soon. If not, drinking beers, working on cars, doing something. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe, comment down below, like this video, hit that bell notification, and just like that, this video is over. We're out. Peace.
Yeah.